Good afternoon. Today it's 1:30 p.m. So me and Javier we're removing the angle stop here in the kitchen angle stop. And we put a lámpara for you, Javier.
¿Puede my teléfono?
May telepon. Bahala telepon.
Asan yung isa kanina?
Sino isa pa? Sino po isa?
Para teclados aquí.
No, the tight this way.
Tight.
You gotta go
Other side.
No. Use this one, Javier. Use this one. Use the other tools. But here.
This is good.
No, use this one. This is more better than the other machine. Not this guy. This
Para
guy.
control.
This guy. And then the llave here, the llave. Here. Here's the llave. So put it. Oh, that's a quarter? No, that's a different one. That's for the
It's
half
a
inch for the
different-
same, yeah. Maybe only control the on the top of the with the llave, no?
This is down, huh?
Correct. But you have to control it, no? Control with the llave tubo, no?
No, it's okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Coming? Oh,
Okay. Tecla para Mauro de Little Boy.
coming. And here's the remover for the old. So we got the Perul blaster. The easy way to remove Perul. Here's the Perul remover. You need to remove all the put it inside. No.
Oh, this is inside, no?
No. Put it like this. Shoop. And you atrás the.
Atrás that one?
Yeah, atrás.
Let me see.
Okay, maybe you hila.
No.
I think you gotta go together.
Todo
You
junto,
atrás, like a caulking gun. You atrás down. There you go. Then put it in. Enter them. There you go. Coming. There you go. Easy. No more problem. Now here's the new one. Here's a new one for quarter. Put it down first. The cover plate. Brand new half-inch. They call a brush crop. Multi-turn angle stop.
This is new?
Half-inch. Yeah, brand new.
No,
Yeah, the tornillo, yeah, the washer inside. You put down first. There you go. The old one.
the old one.
So we got a best price when you're buying a set. This one is called a rapid and angle wrench set. Push it, yeah, and then push it para exacto. No, that one's okay, but you put down and then exacto sagad. Okay, no more?
No more.
Okay, good. Na pwede na tayo, diba?
No more. Control no more.
Llave, yeah, okay, no?
The small. No working this.
No, it's still quarter. You need I think I need to buy one of those. You need a llave.
One more llave.
It's from outside.
That one, no?
Yeah, that one.
Well, with the
Air control. Maybe here in the body. Maybe you need to put it. Digo, para no, yeah, okay.
this.
Maybe now
Okay.
the other way.
Wait, okay.
You put enter down first.
Así no?
I think you're gonna go down, no?
No. This is para acá.
Correcto. Está bueno.
No entra, este puto no
No, you're
entra.
supposed to be enter. There you go, enter. Now control.
Aquí.
Take a lead. There you go. Not too much tight.
More o es okay?
I don't know, maybe one more poquito más. Oh, man, it's open. I don't want to open, maybe a little bit more. Is it tight now?
Okay, ya.
Yeah, está bueno. No, come out.
Only 13, okay?
Okay,
Me
it's
open now.
Open now. Only poquito,
You
remember.
close?
Yeah, close. Only poquito, okay, maybe Kalahati.
Okay.
Okay, so the angle stop is already installed. Javier is gonna turn on the water now. Let's see how we work. In fact, it should be okay. As long as you have a good tools, you are good to go. I'm gonna turn on the water now. I'm gonna go keep an eye on it. Let me see the water. Onto the water now. So it doesn't move, so which means okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So like I said, the good thing about this is these two tools, it gives you a peace of mind to remove some of those old angler stuff. They call it Perul Blaster, and easy way to remove the Perul. I think that's what they call the Perul, those copper that is stuck into the copper, the 1/2 inch. This one they call a Perul. This is attached to the copper, and this is the nuts it goes with. And then when you tie in, this thing is compressing, and it won't come out to the thing. Look good. And also the good thing about this one is you know, the Pasco wrench 4x24. It's they call this is the one. The only thing about the other connector is designed for 1/2 inch to 3/8. So this is basically it's 4 pipe, number power pipe, 2 pipe. Best price buying a set. It's a rapid and angle run set. Let me know what you guys think. All set. The water is on. You're just gonna keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.